Either they're having an affair or it's very shy.
This would be the only on-camera interview that you're planning to give. Why did you decide to be here today?
So Coldplay's Kiss Cam just broke the internet.
You've seen this video, right?
1,000 times.
Yes, I think everyone has seen it.
Take us back to the night of the Coldplay concert.
Growing fallout from the Kiss Cam moments seen around the world, sparking dozens of memes and videos.
It is crazy how big this is.
That was the first time you all had physically touched. That's what you said to us earlier. You hadn't even touched.
This has captured my imagination so much. I have been watching it like if it was porn, over and over and over again.
I did not know the crucial part of that story that was missing from all of the TikToks. I'm going to let you share that.
Sometimes people call just to harass her and call her a homewrecker.
Do you still talk to Andy Byron, your former boss?
Death threats? Who's sending death threats over this?
Why do you think there was so much hate?
各位聽眾你哋好，歡迎你哋返嚟收聽 Dr. Chaplin。我諗咧頭先嗰條片咧應該冇人冇睇過噶啦，因為舊年咧你唔想睇，其實都會 fit 你睇，咁大家都會立嗰下啦。咁我諗我啲聽眾咧都同我一樣噶啦，私人啲男女感情啊冇咩興趣啊，飛過就算啦咁樣係嘛？咁但係咧我想分享咧就因為我最近咧就聽咗 Oprah 嗰個 podcast 啦，咁就訪問咗咧當中呢個女主角啦 Kristen Cavett 啦，咁咧今次呢一個訪問咧係呢件事發生咗之後啦，即係呢一個 Coldplay 呢個 Kiss Cam 呢件事之後咧，Kristen 係第一次出嚟澄清，即係出樣 in person 啊，其實佢喺舊年嘅12月咧，New York Times 都訪問咗佢，不過係一個紙嘅，係一個 article 咁樣啦，一個文章啦，真係露面咧就係第一次咧就 Oprah 呢一個podcast 嘅 interview 啦。咁點解我會藉住呢一個？我聽完之後咧，我覺得我好多嘢想分享啊，因為有好多嘢我真係唔知道，我哋都以為都係男女感情啦，都係出下軌啫，咁啊飛咗去唔理喎。咁但原來咧聽完之後咧 ，Oprah 呢個訪問咧，你哋又知唔知道？原來呢一條15秒噶，你哋頭先睇嗰15秒嗰個 Kiss Cam 啦，係有300個 million 嘅 view。你哋知唔知地球上其實我哋得8個 billion 嘅人，而咧係睇咗300個 billion 次數，咁嗱我啲數好渣嘅，大家留言話俾我知，即係每人睇幾多次啊？40次定係50次？呢個係即係好難想像，點解啲人有咁有興趣嘅咧？翻睇又要重做，又要 repost， 真係 gone viral 嘅，但冇諗過會係咁癲啊！咁而唔單止係個 view 數好高喎，仲要係點樣咧？係令到Kristen 咧好大嘅傷害啦，因為啲人就不停咁樣鬧佢啦，但又唔知點解又唔鬧個男人嘅喎，即係佢嗰個 CEO 老細咧 Andy Byron 啦，係冇人鬧過佢嘅喎。咁咧佢就受咗好多嘅騷擾啦，有啲人直情係即係佢收到無數嘅email 啦，攻擊佢啦，打電話鬧佢啦，佢直情要停咗唔接嘅電話啦，甚至乎有人去佢屋企嗰度圍攻佢啦，佢要報警啦，而佢亦都收到一啲即係死亡嘅恐嚇啦咁樣。咁我就好想即係講下啦，點解啲人係咁大嘅反應咁憎佢嘅咧？咁樣係啦。第三樣嘢就係聽完個 podcast 先知道，原來咧鬧佢嘅人90% 係女人。點解女人會咁憎佢咧？其實佢做錯咗啲乜嘢咧？佢哋又唔識佢嘅，究竟真係即係咪踩咗佢條尾咧？咁我好想咧，即係用一個心靈，其實我都估到知道大約係咩事嘅，因為自己喺輔導咗咁多被傷害嘅女士嘅時候咧，咁我都想用一個即係心靈輔導嘅角度啦。究竟我哋做錯咗啲咩嘢，或者我覺得咧 media 咧其實唔係 it's not gather people to judge right but gather people to think and do justice。既然我哋係知道嘅真相嘅時候，我覺得我哋需要同大家去分享啦，同埋我哋會唔會都係一份子啊？我想講，我哋會唔會都好似嗰90% 嘅女人咁樣咧？睇完就丙人，睇完就鬧人，睇完就誤會人咧？可能我哋都會嘅喎，係咪？咁好啦，好似 Oprah 話齋 ，the crucial part is missing。 不如我哋聽一聽 Kristen 自己講嘅真相。
Do you still talk to Andy Byron, your former boss?
No, I ended communication with Andy in mid-fall. There was a big miss on honesty and integrity. He wasn't the person he represented himself to be to me, and lying is not a non-negotiable for me.
What does that mean, actually?
It means he missed the mark on being as honest as he could have been with me. And at the end of the day, Oprah, I was the one left
Meaning
holding...
he wasn't separated? Because what you're implying to me, what I'm hearing, is that he really wasn't separated. Is that what you're trying to say?
I want to be really careful because the world spoke for me and on my behalf, and I don't want to do that to somebody else in their family. I don't feel comfortable. But I will say, a lot of what was represented to me was not true.
Okay.
I also want to say that being left...
But will you verify again, as you said to us earlier, that he had told you, when you told him you were separated, he had said to you he's going through the same
unequivocally.
thing? Okay.
Unequivocally.
So you believed when you were standing with him at the Coldplay concert that he was separated?
Absolutely.
Okay.
Zero doubt.
You kept saying, I made a mistake. It was a mistake. I shouldn't have been out with my boss, but it wasn't a mistake that I deserved to die for.
Correct.
It wasn't a mistake that I deserved to have people coming up to me on the street and saying I should die because of it. It wasn't a mistake that deserved people threatening me and threatening my children.
Right.
It was a mistake. So that's what you told me.
That's right.
Do you still feel that
Absolutely.
it was a mistake?
Absolutely. And I've been telling anyone that will listen, I own the poor decision that I made in that moment. And I've paid an unimaginable price for that.
Yeah.
I also, that was why I chose to leave my job, because I think I put the company in a position, given how viral and toxic this became, a position you can't come back.
嗱，好啦，大家都聽咗佢講啦，都知道咧，he's not honest, right？ 即係好似 Kristen 咁講啦 ，lying is non-negotiable。咁當事人就講咗啦，信唔信咧就你哋自己決定啦。OK， 咁好啦，個事實就係、好似被呃咁樣咯，佢自己都咁佢又道歉喎，佢承認自己蠢，就承認自己 make 咗個 mistake 咯喎。但係點解啲人都唔放過佢咧？咁喺個訪問裏邊咧，佢提到咧，啲人簡直係唔係淨係話即係 verbal abusive 化喺網上鬧佢啦，係甚至乎咧係影響到佢嘅仔女啦，同埋係佢收到好多嘅email 啦，鬧佢啦，打電話去攻擊佢啦，甚至乎佢要停咗唔接個電話咯，甚至乎有啲人咧係憎佢憎到咧喺佢屋企出現喎，咁最後搞到咧係要報警嘅，咁變咗連佢仔女咧都知道咧佢哋係會有生命危險啊！即係一家人一對仔女同佢都會有生命危險啊！即係點解啲人可以咁癲嘅咧？咁我就喺呢個Psychology of Hatred 嗰度講一講啦。喺 social media 裏邊咧，我睇到嘅幾樣嘢咧就係我哋叫佢叫做de-individuation 啦，同埋呢個 anonymous 啊，即係叫做去個性化啦，即係上咗網嘅時候咧，你係隱形咗你嘅 identity 啊，你明唔明啊？點解啲人可以咁放縱，可以係咁鬧人，咁易咁樣攻擊人，同埋可以攻擊得咁深嘅咧？其實就係你上網你可以用假名，你可以用一啲其他嘅戶口啊嘛，嚇你咧就再黑嘅。人哋即係被攻擊嗰人咧就睇唔到你嘅嚇，你係好似鬧人嗰時，即係 social media 嗰種嘅comment 啊，對argument 咧係好似 detach from 你嘅 real life 咁樣嘅，係啦，即係你可以隱藏咗你自己嗰個身份啊，咁變咗你咪冇咗一個道德嘅責任都得咯，係啊，你可以任咁鬧，但係咧再光明嗰個咧就收到你鬧，但人又唔知你係邊個，因為你可以用 fake account， 你可以隨時轉名係咪，或者轉一個新嘅 account， 或者 cancel 個 account 都可以，所以呢樣嘢咧係可以越發越大啦，而係好似冇要 take 一個 accountability 咁樣啦。咁第二樣嘢咧，我睇到嘅咧就係呢個我哋叫 moral grandstanding 啊，即係道德優越感。當人類咧係見到人哋你做錯嘢啊，抵你死啦，就有一個高高在上啊，即係你衰啫，我唔會嘅。咁有一種道德嘅優越感，好多人都係咁樣嘅嚇，係嗰個優越感高過嘅同情心，一定係噶啦。好啦，第三就係乜嘢咧？我哋叫做一個傳染性啊 ，social 即係好 contagious 嘅，即係點講咧？係羊群心態嘅。嗱，你問下自己，如果有一個人行埋嚟同你講，喂 呢個A 君唔係好人嚟嘅咁樣，一個人講你可能唔信嘅，當10個人講你可能會動搖，當100個人咁同你講嘅時候咧，你就應該絕交㗎啦，係咪啊？即係人就係咁，有幾多人會等我查清楚先咁樣咧？好少㗎嘛，係咪？即係羊群心態跟大隊嘅，大部分嘅人咁樣講，大部分人行嗰條路你就會行㗎啦。嗱，話俾你聽，如果你係少數嗰啲咧 ，you are very precious, you are very unique，OK？好啦。第4個咧就係乜嘢咧？係人類都有㗎啦，negativity bias 啊，即係點講？負面嘅 bias 啦，即係一早已經設有嘅。而呢個 bias 咧係唔根據事實嘅，係你個人經驗啊，或者你見到嘅嘢，或者你嘅以為嚟嘅啫。咁我哋咧一般人都有呢個 bias 咧，就係按乜嘢咧？一啲 negative 嘅 information。我哋個 bias 咧都係咁樣㗎，係走咗去一啲咧負面啊、醜聞啊。哇，好吸引你嘅喎，而且咧聽完之後咧，好快咁咧有 reaction 咧就 disagree 㗎啦，然後就發大佢，一傳十，十傳百。有時最好笑嘅咧就當一傳十嘅時候咧，10收到嘅咧已經係變咗，由10咧變8嘅時候咧又變咗可能另一個故事㗎啦。係啦，咁我睇到嘅就係即係呢幾樣嘢啦。當然啦，我哋就唔好講話。最後我會講一講，其實最着數係邊個呢？呢件事一路發大，傷害當然係當事人同埋佢個屋企人啦。但係其實最得益嘅係邊個？我哋陣間會講。不過首先呢，我想你哋聽一聽下，即係究竟佢講嗰90% 嘅女士，究竟女人點樣去侮辱Christian 呢？究竟女人嘅 assumption 係咩嘢？大家聽下先。
Sometimes there's something that just is said, and it cuts you.
Yeah.
Especially if it's untrue. Do you have one of those moments where something was said and it just like brought you to your knees or made you not want to get out of bed? Or
Yeah, it was, and there's actually a few, but the one that just came to mind first was the piece around sleeping my way to the top at work. Mm-hmm. I've worked in advertising and technology, which are really male-dominated industries, and I've spent my entire career fighting against the stereotype of, I must be sleeping with someone or, I've been so intentional about how I move through my work life. I've never been involved with anyone I've worked with before. I've been working since I was 13 and, my mom had us out really legally working early on and, I never stopped. And my career was my identity for better or worse. And this has been a wake up call around that, but that was I had tremendous pride in what I had built. I love what I do. And for that to be a whole entire narrative to be written that takes that away from me, it just gutted me in a way that I can't explain.
So the question is, did he get the same kind of vitriol, Andy Byron, your boss? Were people coming up to him?
No, not at all.
Attacking him, attacking his children?
No.
Yeah.
And I mean, just thinking about, starting from the very beginning, every single part of my physical appearance was picked apart. There were stories written about jewelry I was wearing and who bought it for me and how much it cost when one of my best friends is a jewelry designer and I've bought everything for myself that she made me. And it's, my hairdresser somebody found and that turned into a whole thing where she was dragged for giving me crappy highlights. And she got lit up for that. And just everything about how I looked, to how I was dressed, to how I behaved, to, the sleeping my way to the top, to the gold digger, to this, all the words that Lisa used, the husband stealer. Which, by the way, that expression really bugs me. And I'm not trying to make light, obviously, of adultery. It's not that, but this notion of women stealing men, like I would walk in and duct tape and zip tie a guy and like unwittingly drag him out and steal. Mm-hmm. Like the man has no role in this. Mm-hmm. This is, and for me, like I was the face of all of this. There was no one talking about Andy's hair, shirt, watch. There was no one questioning. Maybe anyone here can correct me. I never read or heard anything about, wow, did he become a CEO by sleeping his way to the top? No. And that's all anyone would say about me. It was unfathomable that I might have achieved and worked and hustled and built a career I'm incredibly proud of. That was not on the table.
哇，其實都真係好慘啊！佢都收到好多嘅攻擊啦，咁sleeping way to the top， 即係我哋俗語講嘅瞓上去啦，係咪啊？咁成功嘅女士咧，好多都會俾人咁樣講噶啦，即係好似女人係會咁樣睇嘅，我諗男女都係會咁樣睇啦，即係覺得唔係靠自己咯，咁唉好慘。但係咧Oprah 真係問得好好啊 ，Did he get the same kind of vitriol？ 喂， 咁阿 Byron 有冇人攻擊佢啊？或者係即係 threaten 佢啲仔女啊？冇喎。咁有冇人話佢話喂，你隻錶邊個買㗎？哇！你升到 CEO 喎，係咪同女人瞓上去啊？又冇喎。即係大家諗下，其實係真係好現實㗎，係咪啊？係咪啊？即係女人戴嘅嘢咧，你拎出嚟嘅，你嘅髮型又俾人話，你嘅包包俾人話，你戴個3卡嘅戒指俾人話。咁其實對方男士係冇責任係可以 disappear。佢講得好好 ，The man has no role in this。唔知去咗邊個男人，需要各位男士即係好好保護你嘅太太、你嘅愛人同埋你嘅女啊！嚇，即係時候嘅時候咧，就要 speak up for 佢哋啦。咁我就想睇咧，呢一個係乜嘢嘅心態嚟嘅咧？喺叫做。即係我明白 hurt people 呢樣嘢，而好多時都係女士多啲嘅。點解佢話咧個調查話佢90% 都係女人話佢咧？我諗呢個係一個 psychological projection 同埋一個 sense of insecurity 啊。因為當你譬如好多女士，如果佢係曾經試過失婚，或者佢試過失去男人，或者被欺騙，或者俾人搶咗個第三者，佢都會好憎呢一類型嘅女人咯。你明唔明啊？咁我哋自細都係啦，文化又係一樣嘢啦，即係你嘅個人經歷啦，即係你會有呢啲經歷嘅人咧，就會有妒忌啦。咁而女人咧個妒忌心係重嘅，男人咧我覺得係低啲嘅。男人唔係妒忌，男人係要威 ，OK？ 要威要掂，即係你唔可以話我唔得。但女人係唔要叻㗎，係啦。但咧佢係要安全感，所以好容易咧係會妒忌嘅。咁但最奇怪一樣嘢咧，無論係我想講嘅，無論係西方社會定係大家想象下。呢一件事咧，係喺一個西方社會嘅一個 professional 嘅女士嘅身上都可以發生嘅。男人係唔見咗嘅，冇人話個男人嘅。大家可唔可以想像下喺我哋即係 Asian 嘅社會裏邊係更加慘，更加冇人會撐女士。咁即係大家係咪要互相彼此姊妹們係咪支持下咧？我明白嘅，你哋睇下我哋自細咧嗰個。傳統啦，或者嗰個 culture 都係咁樣嘅，係咪？自細睇嗰啲戲咧，都係成班女人去打狐狸精噶嘛，係咪啊？攞埋啲架撐嚟打狐狸精喎，有冇人揼過佢瞓喺佢身邊嗰個？好少啲戲會咁做噶嘛。咁更加恐怖咧，就係前幾年啦，我記得就係喺呢一個強國啦，裏邊咧有啲戲咧，即係佢哋好多2、3、4、5拉噶嘛，咁嗰啲老婆咧就帶住啲姊妹咧，就真係攞架撐武器去打嗰啲2、3、4拉，仲要咧係打到真係傷晒，瞓咗喺地下唔喐，除晒佢啲衫，甚至乎打去個私處。我自己睇到，我真係覺得好難過，好難過。我講呢兩個 case 就係我想大家睇一睇，我哋嘅華人嘅女人依然係喺一個非常非常之低，即係唔公平嘅。對我哋嚟講，有呢啲事發生，西方社會男人消失咗啦，你亞洲社會啲男人去邊啫？冇人責怪個男士嘅，連喺教會都係咁嘅。如果有興趣嘅，聽翻我哋以前有聽過 Table for Six， 我哋都講過啦。就算你去同教會講又如何啫？係嘛？嗰啲牧師都係同佢太太講啊，忍下啦，祈下禱啦，讀下經啦。有冇一個男牧師夠薑去同嗰位丈夫講啊？有喺下邊留言啦，我未見過啊！我好想知道你哋驚乜嘢啊？呢個就係好現實、好唔 fair 嘅情況咯。好啦，咁我哋繼續睇一睇咯喎。點樣Kristen 咧，佢講得好好咯。佢話咧，點解我要係嗰個角色啫？點解我要不停咁 explain 同埋去 justify 自己咧？而嗰個男人可以唔講嘢，而係冇人話過佢嘅咧？大家聽下。
Where are you now in the healing process for you and for your family? You're supporting yourself. You're supporting your children. Have you started to look for work again? Has Andy Byron, I hear, has gotten offers from other places.
Lots of interest.
Lots of interest.
And I think he has the luxury of staying silent and he can go back to work when he's ready. I don't. I have to remind myself I'm not on trial, but I have to, in order for me to get back on my feet, I have to come out and explain. And I think that's a stark difference between the man and the woman in this situation. I have to explain and justify. And I feel like people, when I speak up, they think I'm trying to be famous. If I don't speak, I must be guilty. So I'm trying to figure out the right balance there. And for me, I'm raising my kids alone. I'm financially responsible for my kids alone, and I need to get back to work.
Yeah, because people are going to criticize you for like, why are you talking?
Yeah, if I talk, I'm trying to prolong my 15 minutes of fame. If I'm not talking,
Yeah. So again, you decided to talk because
I felt, like I said in the beginning, like I can't stay silent and accept what has happened. And I do feel like it's important that people understand the real story, and also how harmful it is to just make assumptions and judge and feed and fuel something that created this narrative.
咁大家都聽到啦，其實喺呢件事上咧，對於 Kristen 嚟講咧，其實係真係唔 fair 嘅。咁佢都話啦，即係 I have to explain and justify。我都覺得好奇怪，點解係得佢講嘢咧？佢要自己出嚟澄清，但個男嘅去咗邊咧？咁佢都講得好好啦。佢話 He has the luxury of staying silent。冇人講過半句説話，如果有嘅，大家 post 嚟睇下啦。即係去咗邊咧？聽講個男人好似已經有份工噶啦。But anyway 啦，即係好真實嘅，係唔公平嘅。佢話你 speak up， 學佢話齋，你 speak up 啲人就話你想出位，想 famous。如果你唔講嘢，又話你衰咗，又話你做錯嘢啦，係咪 ？So people will criticize you anyway， 真係㗎。所以當 Oprah 問佢咁你嘅 healing 咧，你而家點樣做 healing 咧？佢就話I can't stay silent 係咪啊？佢話我唔可以就咁接受呢件事同埋唔出聲咯。但佢都好有智慧嘅，因為當件事初發生嗰陣時咧，係唔應該嗰陣時出聲嘅。因為我知道啊嚇好蠢嘅你咁樣做，因為有幾多人你諗下，有幾多人會喺嗰件事發生嘅時候可以冷靜咁去分析同埋聽你講啊？甚少嘅。所以咧有佢歇下先，唔需要咁急澄清住嘅。咁跟住咧佢就講得好好呢句，佢就話咧亦都係點解我想同大家分享呢一件事咧？就佢話 People need to understand the real story。我就係用 Oprah 呢個 interview 俾大家睇到個真相，個 real story。因為呢個世界太多假嘢，太多紛亂嘅嘢，不如我哋聽下當事人點樣講係最真實嘅。你信唔信一件事，但都要聽咗先 ，OK？ 咁How harmful it is to make assumption and judgment。嗰個傷害係大到咧，係因為個傷害。如果我哋冇留意呢樣嘢，我哋冇常常去留意自己有冇呢啲 bias 咧，我有冇呢啲 insecurity 咧，我有冇參與呢一啲去攻擊人哋嘅説話咧？個 assumption 我頭先講嘅嘢好緊要 ，assumption 就係一啲其實未經證實、冇 proof、冇 evidence 嘅嘢，而係你以為你深信係真嘅，冇事實根據嘅嘢，原來可以係造成好大嘅傷害。呢個我唔再長講，有興趣其實我都喺醫院裏邊有好多年青人都係咁啦，網絡裏邊嘅攻擊啊、欺凌啊，係搞到入嚟係自殺嘅咁樣，真係希望大家可以即係。喺再搞大件事之前咧，大家停一停，去諗一諗，係咪真係要安靜下，唔好咁快去 judge 人咧。同埋我都想講嘅，真係女士係到今日，即係如果西方世界都可以咁唔公平，何況係我哋呢個華人世界咧？女人我自己個人啦，我唔係講什麼女權啊，咩女權至上，唔係至上，我唔要喺上邊啊，我要平等咋，我唔要權，我唔要 power， 我要公道，就係咁簡單。呢件事擺明就唔公道啦，你講就衰，唔講都係衰噶啦，係咪先？因為女士好多時都係咁噶。係嘛？你帶個3卡 set 出嚟，你努力去揾錢買到個戒指俾自己戴下，或者 whatever you dress up 啦嚇，啲人都會話：使乜你咁辛苦啊？有老公養咪得咯咁喎。好啦，到你老公買粒 set 俾你戴下，佢就話：咪又靠老公，即係呢啲咁啊！大家睇唔睇到啊？喂，老細，其實你想點啊？即係我想大家都要問一問咧，我哋就喺呢個文化裏邊長大啦，咁就唔好跟大隊 ，OK？ 即係 be yourself，be authentic。咁有機會嘅時候，好似即係Kristen 話齋咧嘅 healing 就係要 tell the truth，tell the real story。如果唔係咧，會造成嘅傷害會更大啦。咁樣好啦，各位朋友講到呢度有興趣嘅睇下其他嘅片啦，拜。